I'm going to take a break from working out for a second and show you some of the masks that I'm working on for the Weapon X project. Up first from Do 3D, this is the unused helmet design, their version 1. Up next is the short-eared version from Villainous Prop Shop / Colonius. I'll be doing the long-eared version as well. This version reminds me of the Future Fight game. I got this from CG Trader. Needs a decent amount of cleanup, but it will be kind of cool. This one I got on Thingiverse. It will also have chin straps installed. A long-eared version that needs a lot of cleanup, but I got this one from Thingiverse as well. Another Do 3D file, the Fortnite version. Again, will be cleaned up and molded. This is a fabric design from Aztec Studios, and it is absolutely amazing. Highly recommend. Yet another Do 3D file, which had a layer shift issue, which will be cleaned up, but shouldn't be too much of a problem. Even though I'm printing more helmets and masks for Wolverine, this one up next I'm particularly excited for. So this one, last one here, is a file I commissioned from Aztec Studios. It's supposed to be a MCU-inspired helmet, so you can see it's got some like Captain America helmet inspiration there. I think it looks awesome. I'll be talking about it more on my YT channel, so definitely check out and subscribe there. It also has a chin cup, so I'll be doing a strap piece there. The end goal for all those helmets is to eventually be molded and cast in rubber like this mask, so that they're more wearable and user-friendly. I won't be selling any of them, however, I will be doing giveaways throughout the year. So again, I'll be doing one Wolverine cosplay every month in 2023, so definitely check out my socials and stay tuned for the next giveaway.